everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all for the world's fastest human calculating system, that is our Vedic mathematics. In this session, I am going to teach you how to do subtractions very easily and accurately at the speed more than your calculators. Here I am not applying any conventional method. I am going to teach you the 4 methods. Kindly learn each and every method, so I promise you that you will be the masters of subtractions. Without wasting much of our time, let us go for the first method. The first method is called as Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. I repeat, Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. That means all from 9 and last from 10. Okay. So in Sanskrit, subtraction means Vyavakalanam. I repeat, in Sanskrit, subtraction means what? Vyavakalanam. The first method I am teaching is all from 9 and last from 10. That is Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. So to make you understand, I will go for the problems. See, I am applying all from 9 and last from 10 technique. I will give you 4 methods to do subtractions. If you learn all the 4 methods, you will be the human calculators. Okay? So kindly observe, whenever you are subtracting from numbers which are powers of 10, like 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1 crore, like that, okay, you can apply this method. What is the method called as? All from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10. Before applying, so kindly observe here. Count how many zeros are there in my minuend. Okay, this is the minuend, this is the subtrahend. How many zeros are there in my minuend? There are 3 zeros. In my subtrahend, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Whenever the zeros in my minuend are same as number of digits in my subtrahend, I can straight away apply all from 9 and last from 10. What it is, see, observe. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3, and last I told 10 minus 7. Last one what? 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer for this question is 433. I repeat, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. Last from what? 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now observe next problem. How many zeros? 4 zeros. How many digits? 4 digits. Now you can straight away apply the method all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. And last from what? 10. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. The answer for this question is 2106. Okay. We shall go for the next problem. Before applying, count how many zeros are there in my minuend. There are 5 zeros. Count how many digits are there in my subtrahend. 5 digits. Now straight away apply the method. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. Sorry, 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. And last from what? 10. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. The answer for this question is 1325. Next problem. Count how many zeros? There are 5 zeros. But in my subtrahend, only 3 digits are there. Now the question arises in your mind, right? Whether I can apply this method or not. Yes, you can still apply this method, but little modification is required. Kindly observe how many zeros? 5 zeros. How many digits? 3 digits. So I will make it 5 digits by inserting 2 more zeros to the left hand side. Don't insert to the right hand side, it will go wrong. Okay. Now count how many zeros? Sorry, how many zeros here? 5 zeros. How many digits? 5 digits. Apply the method now. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Last I told from what? 10. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. The answer for this question is 99,124. Okay. We'll go for the next problem now. Count how many zeros? 5 zeros. How many digits? Only 2 digits. So I don't worry for that. So insert 3 more zeros. How many zeros? 5. How many digits now? 5. Okay, so matching. Apply the method now. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. And last I told from what? 10. 10 minus 8 is what? 2. Hence this method is called as what? All from 9 and last from 10. Or is also called as what? Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. I repeat, Nikilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. Okay, so for your better understanding, I will go for few more problems in the same method. So totally I am teaching you 4 methods in the subtraction. Learn all the 4 methods. So you will be the masters of subtractions. So next set of questions I am going. Now kindly observe here. Instead of 1 I am having 3 here. Okay. So it doesn't matter for me. I will give you the trick here also. Now count how many zeros. First you ignore this 3. Don't worry about that 3. Okay. Count how many zeros? 3 zeros. How many digits here? 3 digits. So apply the first method first. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6. What is 9 minus 6? 3. Last from what? 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay. Now here what I am having? 3. So earlier in the previous problem what I had? 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Instead of writing 0 I was ignoring. But now you subtract 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. When you have other than 1, so subtract 1 from that. So you have to write. Got it? Okay. Observe next problem, you will understand better. Count how many zeros here? 4 zeros. How many digits here? 4 digits. First you ignore 5. Later we will deal with that. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Last from what? 10. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. Now I have what? 5. So I told you whenever you have other than 1, subtract 1 from here. 5 minus 1 is what? 4 right here. So answer for this question is 42,106. Hope you are understanding. Okay, we'll go for next set of questions now. Now you observe here. How many zeros? 5 zeros. How many digits? 5 digits. Okay, please be very careful. Whenever you have zeros at the right hand side, that means extreme end of your subtract, and be little bit cautious. Now what I will do, please observe here. First you ignore these zeros. Apply the method. 9 minus 0, sorry 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, so now here all from 9, last from 10. Now you consider 6 as your last digit. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Okay, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Last from what? 10. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. You write the zeros as it is. Okay, now 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Instead of writing 0, it doesn't matter for me, right? So I will leave that. So answer for this question is 1400. Please observe very carefully. I will repeat this problem one more time. Whenever you have zeros to the extreme right of your subtract and ignore that zeros. Okay. 9, apply the method now. See, before that you count how many zeros? 5 zeros. Here also 5 digits. Now ignore zeros. Apply the method now. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. All by 9, last from 10, right? 10 minus 6 is what? 4. You write these 2 zeros as it is. Okay. Now, here 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Why I write 0? Just ignore. So answer for that question is 1400. Now apply for, we'll go for the next problem. Count how many zeros first of all? 5 zeros. How many digits? 5 digits. But I have zeros to my extreme right. So first ignore this 0. Apply the method now. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Last from what? 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Write your 2 zeros as it is. Now you observe here what I am having. 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So you need not write. Okay. Next question. How many zeros I am having here? There are 5 zeros, but here only 2 digits. So what I will do? So I will put 3 more zeros. Now how many zeros? 5 zeros. How many digits? 5 digits. Apply the method now. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Last 10 minus 8, 2. But now you observe what I am having here, 7. Therefore 7 minus 1 is 6. So answer for this question is 6,99,922. See, without taking any borrow, without doing my scratch well, I am solving the problems just like a calculator. Okay, we shall go for further few more problems for your more clarity about this method. Now, see, one thing I am going to inform you that don't skip any part of the video, because there are some exceptions there. So if you go through the entire video, then only you can solve any number of problems, any problems. If you skip certain part, you will go wrong. Okay, so try to go through the entire video. Don't skip anywhere. Okay. Now, count how many zeros. I have 3 zeros. How many digits? 3 digits. N digit is what? 0. So I know what tactics I need to follow here. Kindly ignore 0 first of all. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. No, you should not do from 9. You should do from what? 10. Okay. I said When you are 0 at the extreme ends, just ignore. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Okay. Now I have 0 at the extreme end. Put it as it is. Now I am having what? 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. The answer for this question is 2440. Got it? Okay. Now next problem. I have how many zeros? 4 zeros. How many digits? 4 digits. Okay. First you write zeros. 2 0. Okay. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. All from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 8 is what? 2. Now I am having what here? 5. Therefore 5 minus 1 is 4. The answer for this question is 42,200. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Count how many zeros I am having here? 5 zeros. How many digits here? 5 digits. So I can apply all by 9, last from 10. First you ignore these zeros. You write zeros to the extreme end. Okay. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. All from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Okay, now here what I am having? 8. 8 minus 1 is what? 7. So answer for this question is 7,400. Okay. We'll go for the next problem. Count how many zeros I am having. I am having 5 zeros. How many digits I am having? 5 digits. Kindly ignore these 2 zeros right at the extreme right. Okay. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 9 I am having. 9 minus 1, 8. So answer for this question is 8,12,400. Okay, we'll go for next question. Count how many zeros I am having here? 5 zeros. How many digits I am having here? 5 digits. So straight away I can apply the method. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. And last from what? 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Now you see here what I am having? 7. Therefore 7 minus 1 is what? 6. My answer for this question is 6,21,101. Okay. Hope you have understood with this method. So this method is called as what? All from 9 and last from 10. I have already explained you the exceptions here. Okay. Further, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. You can WhatsApp me your doubts only. Okay, don't call simply. So my WhatsApp number 9742331968. So this completes our first method called as all from 9, last from 10. Thank you.